has a way to infiltrate your brain, your heart, your molecules in such a way that whatever mood you were in, it can be affected. It's a world-known fact, you know, that music can do that, that music can change your mood. And behind me, you see a picture of 2 crystals of water. This is an experiment from Dr. Emoto. You can check for him on the web. He's a Japanese scientist who claimed that human consciousness, not only, also music, words, poems, could affect the molecular structure of water. And here you can see 2 crystals after being exposed to different kind of music. Here, a crystal of water exposed to Beethoven, Pastorale, and here to heavy metal music, right? You can get your conclusions out of that. Which one is more beautiful?